ben Lindsey.
En Lindsey, wat wil je?
Ik wil een nieuwe, frisse look hebben.
Okay.
Met blond.
Lindsey wants a new color of blonde, but to the colder colors, so not to the golden colors, but to the cold and cool colors. And she wants some dark shades in it. And just a nice trim on her hair. Wil je een rondje draaien? So she don't get short hair, she stays in the long hair. Hello friends, on YouTube, gonna do her hair. Now start with coloring, because she has a lot of gold colors in her hair. And she wants to get rid of that. So I made her a highlighter, but then a highlighter with 6%, that's 20 volume. So normally you get to 12, but she's light enough. And I put in step 1 of glint, and I will do a step 2 in the second line. Start of course with pinning up her hair, putting on protection, and then setting in her hair. So just light it up a little bit, but then in the very cold colors. I set a photo now in the video, so you can see which colors I used. The plastic cape, latex. And my world famous plastic foil. Free the hair. Start in the upper parts, there's the best hair. Make this product very creamy, so don't damage the hair at all. And apply this on her hair in total length. That's starting on the first, I think 5 to 10 centimeters, because that's the most golden color, so I give that a bit more time and then put it on the rest of the hair. I just have set in with the 6% 20 volume. This first part is very yellow colored. So now I put in a deep conditioner into the mix, into the bowl with the same product. And that applies, so I bring it back to 3%, that's 10 volume. And that apply on the length of hair. And then we're gonna wait for about 20 minutes. Then set in some lowlights after that. And then of course a bit cutting, but not too much. And she wants to stay in the length. And because this deep conditioner is here, you can already see that the colors get real gold. So I do this to all the hair. All the colors on my hair, I massage this real nice in. So now I let it for 20 minutes, what I told you, and then we're back. Don't go away. Okay, now we're back. The hair is still very wet, so I first gonna dry it a bit, and then I'm gonna set in some lowlights. But the first step is drying it a bit, because otherwise it's too wet to color. Goede kleur, hè?
Kijk, meteen wel anders. Kijk, meteen wel anders.
Ja, absoluut. Okay, now I'm starting with the lowlights, so I turn a bit. And I don't start deep down under, I start on the skull bone, parting the hairs to the two sides. And in this lowlights, it's also a cold color. I put in some glint dark shade moon conditioner, because the conditioner makes it visible to see where the colors are. And that I want to have, because then I know where I'm applying it. So I created a bit grey colored product. So I take ultra fine lines, twist from one side to the other. Take my lower lights and try to get a soft connection to the skull, because, and it's not far off my color, because it's around 6 color. So it's darker of color, but also a cool color. This I lay back over the hairs. Clean my hands in between. Go to the next part. And so I work up till I get on top of her hair. And the more I get to the ears, the more I take it in 2 parts. So I take up this part, take my soft brush, brush the hairs, take my nail comb, take fine lines, lay it on the hair, under it. Get my darker color and apply it on the hairs. Oh, by the way, this product is also with 3%, that's 10 volume. So I don't have hard colors in her hair. Maybe she wants to go to platinum or something like that. She is a real girl that loves blonde hair. So it's very important to that. She always can get back to the color she wants. Take the line of the hairs again. Take my brush again. Again, take fine lines, twisting through the hairs. Split them. Take my darker color. Lay it on my cloth. Bring it to the ends. And gently lay it on the hair. And so do all hair. Okay, now all the colors are on the hairs. Dus I made partings from the skull bone. This has to stay in for 20 minutes and then rinse it out, and then we're back cutting, styling. Hello, back from coloring. I rinsed out the dark colors, so now I can cut her hair. I will do the cut with the TC1 Care Cutter Jaguar. As you don't want to have a lot of. Brush the hairs with an Olivia Garden brush. And I think I'm going to do a standing, because then I have the most natural folds of the hairs. And I think mostly the nicest way to cut hair is in the natural folds. So I'll part hairs over the center, lay them to the left and the right, knowing I don't have to cut off a lot of length. Brush them over the natural fold, and then I'll ask her to stand up. I'm going to do this standing. Heb je wel staan net?
Nee.
Nooit? Meisje toch? Ik ga weg. Kun je dan staan? Zo. Zo ja. Volgen. Take all the hairs to the front. The hairs that lay in the neckline are the length. So you can see the length around here. Lay the hairs to both sides. Now our fringe is walking to the sides. So I turn a bit so you can see that also. And that may not be too short because then it jumps up. Now turn a bit so you can see a bit more what I'm doing. Leave the hairs in a natural fold, knowing that she wants to stay in some length, But also I know that she has a little bit layering. So what I do is I go in on the natural fall and go in one line to the underlines. Comb the hair once again. Go to the other side. The wonderful thing is that you use the skull as a guide. So now I can go in here. And go down. So, control the lengths. They are the same. You can see that they come in the center to each other. So now I can lay it to the back, and then I only have to cut off the length in the back. The nice thing of cutting standing, especially also for young girls, it goes very fast. So it's very nice to do. Comb the hairs to the back. Know that all the layers at the front are already cut. Turn a bit. Clip this aside. So I have a straight line to work on. Ask her to bend her head to the front. So the underlines are a bit longer than the upper lines. But when you cut them, they come together. And then nicely go into the line of cutting, taking off the dry ends. So you can really see how long the hair is, how wonderful the fall of the hair is. And you have always the natural fall of the hairs. Turn the head a bit to the side. Lay the hairs to the side. Watch at the rounding. Make a slight correction to the line. Do the same on the other side. And the nice thing of working this way is that mostly the customers that can work with you like it very much. So for the cut, now I'm ready. So I can dry your hair. It's lekker snel, hè?
Ja.
On my hair I use the foam. It's velvet of glint. And I use the soft one. Apply this on the hairs. And I'm going to blow dry the hairs with the light brush. This brush is from Ergo. And because I cut the hair with the TC1 care cut, I can very easily go through the hairs without getting stuck into the hairs. Pin the hairs up on the skull bone, start the neckline, blow drying till I'm dead. Or almost dead. En mijn blow dryer is of Kione. Dat vind ik zo'n mooie thermisch knipper. En je kunt gewoon met die borstels gewoon door het haar. Zonder te blijven hangen. Echt bijzonder.
Je hebt er ook langer plezier van, toch?
Absoluut. Sofa blow drying.
Ja, zo mooi.
Ja. Now, I want to use this product, it's Caribbean spray. I think it's wonderful because it's not greasy, smells really delicious, and brings out every color that's still in the house. I know there's a lot of you telling they're not to want to be great, but believe me, in the Netherlands a lot of girls like this cool colors, and me as a hairdresser, I like it, but it's a lot of work. But I thank you for being my model. I thank you for watching. Till next time, she will show you the turn and show you the end result. Alsjeblieft. How does your hair feel?
Good.
Yeah? Nice and soft?
Yes. Really
Healthy?
soft. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, my dear.
You're more than welcome, love. Lindsey wants a new color of blonde, a bit to the golder colors, so not to the golden colors, but to the gold and cool colors. And she wants some dark shades in it, and just a nice trim on her hair. Wil je een rondje draaien? So she don't get short hair, she stays in the long hair.